chat box. Waiting for your answer, student. Good. Next, before Diwali vacation, right? I'm going to write here some numbers. You want to give me the introduction, okay? Yes, word problem of addition and subtraction. Now my number is 27 into 3. 27 into 3. Okay, cleared everyone? Okay, so now tell me from your side, everyone solve. From your side, yes, beta, yes. Now don't tell the topic name, okay? I'm going to check out your previous knowledge. Don't tell the topic name, I understood. Now I'm going to check out the previous knowledge. Yes or no? Now tell me in this both number, which one is a multiplicand and which one is a multiplier? This already I given you. This I already explained you. Each number has the separate name in division also and in multiplication also. So what is the name of 27? The 27 has its separate name. Everyone has your separate name, yes or no? When you are going to born at that time, everyone has the separate name. I don't want the answer. I'm not going to ask you the answer. Which question I'm going to ask you? Read it properly. Which question I'm going to ask you? I don't want the answer. No one is sending the answer in chat box. 27 into 3. 27 multiplied by 3. So what is the 27? 27 is what? I want the specific name of that number. Now I'm going to check. Yes?
The co-host is Adarsh Tiwari. So remove that. Adarsh Tiwari.
Okay. Yes, now students, listen here. 27. I'm waiting for your answer. 27. What is the name of 27? Anyone remember? We already learned. I don't want the answer. Arnav, I don't want the answer. 27 is what? Yes, I want the correct answer. Pradyumna, good. Next. Multiplicand. The spelling is wrong, beta, okay? Multiplicand. C-A-N-D. Okay? Your spelling is wrong. And what about 3? Yes, what about 3? Then 3 is what? Remaining one is what? Multiplicand. Good, Adarsh. Very nice. Multiplier. Okay. So, 27 into 3. 27 is multiplicand and 3 is multiplier. Okay. So, 27 into 3. Our answer is there. Wait, I'm going to show you. Here, we are going to write the answer. Okay. What is the name of that answer? That answer also has the particular name. Yes or no? So tell me, anyone remember what is the name of that particular number? What is our answer? Yes, anyone remember? Give me answer in chat box. Your answer I want in chat box. I'm waiting for your answer. The answer of multiplication is what? No. Yes, some students are sending the product, but the spelling of product is wrong. Okay. Yes, the answer of multiplication means what? It's a product. Very good. Wait, I'm going to check it who is given the correct answer. Okay. Good. Very nice. Just a second. I'm going to check it the correct answer. How many students are given the proper answer? Okay. The Shlok, Adarsh, Arohi, Tanishka, Adarsh. Okay. Good. Product. The answer of multiplication is what? It's a product. Okay. So now we are going to start to multiplication. Ready, everyone? Suppose, are you ready? All of you, then type yes. I'm going to start. Okay. Good. Now tell me, student, what about 7 into 3? 7 into 3. What is the answer? 7 into 3. What is the answer? 81. 21. Okay, don't send the full answer. Which question I'm going to ask you step by step. In this way, you want to give the answer. Okay, 7 into 3, that is 21. So, can I write in the circle, in the red color circle, which number I'm going to write here? Tell me. Yes, tell me, everyone. In the downside, good. It's a 1. And 2, I'm going to write on the top of 2. On the top of 2. Clear? Wait a second, student. Don't send the answer now. 7 3s are 21. So 2 is the top of 2 and 1 is the downside of 3. Clear? Now next, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus this 2 you want to add. 6 plus this 2 you want to add. So tell me what is the number? 6 plus 2? 8. It's a 81. What is your correct answer? It's a 81. Okay, good. What is the correct answer now? Tell me. What is the product? 27 into 3. What is the product? Tell me, student. Yes. It is 81. Good. Who's sending the 818? That is totally wrong. Some students are sending the 818. That is totally wrong. Okay. Yes. Okay, you're sending by mistakenly. No problem. Okay, I'm going to solve you one sum again. Okay, ready everyone? Just a second, student. I'm going to erase this all. And I'm going to give you one sum. It is for you, okay? I'm not going to solve. Okay, the digit, now I'm going to give you the 3-digit sum. That is 344 into 7. Okay, now I will give you the time. Okay, all students solve from your side in your notebook. I am also going to solve from my side in my notebook. Okay, and after 5 minutes, when your answer is over, when your answer is ready, then raise the hand. I am going to ask you one by one. Now your time is start. Solve from your side in your notebook. Okay, everyone, I want answer from everyone. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay. So many students are given the answer. 2408. Okay. Wait a second, beta Ayush. We are waiting for another students also. Adarsh, Sneha. They are sending the answer 2408. We are going to check it now. It is correct or incorrect. Okay. Yes, all students are sending. Now we are going to solve on whiteboard. Okay. When I'm going to ask you the question, I want answered in chat box. Ready? Okay. So now tell me first of all what to do. Yes, I want the answer in chat box. 2 4 is 8. Okay, you're sending the answer. Now stop, don't send the answer. Now stop it. Don't send the answer. Tell me what to do. I don't know how to do the multiplication. Tell me. 7 into 4. Very good. So what is the 7 into 4? Okay, 28. So which number I'm going to write downside? This downside, which number I'm going to write it? Tell me. Yes, 7 4s are 28. So 8. Good. Very nice. 8. Okay. And the 2, where I am going to write the 2? Upside, but which? Top of 3, top of 4. Okay, that is this top of 4. Okay. Okay. Next, what to do next? I want answer in chat box. Okay, top of 4. Yes, I given. Next. Now what to do? 7 into 4. Okay, 7 into 4, 28. 28 plus this 2, we want to add, right? It's a 30. So I'm right here 0. And 3 is on top side. 3 is on top side. So 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3. 24. Very nice. So your correct answer is 2408. The correct answer is 08. Clear, everyone? Everyone understood the multiplication concept? If suppose clear, then type capital M. Monkey. M for monkey. Capital M. M for monkey. M for Manchurian. Yes, M for mass. I want to answer everyone. Clear, everyone, the multiplication concept? Okay. All students are not responding in chat box. Okay. How many students are there? 48 are there. And only selected students are answer. Yes, M for move. Okay. Yes. Who is Prathamesh Shinde? Prathamesh beta, on your microphone. Prathamesh, on your microphone beta. Raise the hand, Prathamesh. I'm going to explaining you. Raise the hand, Prathamesh. Yes. Okay. What you not understood, tell me.
Which I have not understand this sum.
Okay. Wait a second. I'm going to show you how to solve it. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me 4 into 7 every time. We are going to solve the multiplication every time. We will go to the which side? From the right side. Okay.
Right
Don't
side.
start from the left side. Tell me 4 into 7. Learn the table from your side and tell me 4 into 7.
28.
What?
28.
Okay, 28. So first number 2 we want to give here, top of the 4. And 8 we want to write on the downside. Okay, clear till here?
Yes.
First number we want to give carry and the last number want to write the downside. That is 28. Now next 4 into 7 again you want to multiply. 4
28.
into 7.
28.
28. In this 28 you want to add this to
30.
30, right? So which number I'm going to write here? Tell me downside.
0.
Which number? 0. Very good. And 3 where? 3
Upon 3.
on the top of 3, right?
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Right.
Okay. So now tell me 7 into 3. 7 into 3, how many? Count from
What,
your side
teacher?
and tell me. 7 into 3, how many? 7 threes are. Learn the table.
21.
21,
1.
right? In this 21, you want to add this 3.
24.
Correct answer is what? 2408. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes, another
you, teacher.
students. Okay, beta. Another students. How many not understood? Raise the hand. I'm going to explaining you. Raise the hand fast. How many not understood? Because afterwards I'm going to give you some questions. So many students are there. Samiksha, Prajakta, Sugyani. Okay, you also not understood the same sum. Okay, I'm going to show you one next sum related to the multiplication. Okay, wait a second. Okay, now I'm going to write the number here. That is 563 into 2. Okay, those are not understood. Those are not understood. Raise the hands. Okay. And I'm going to on your microphone also. Okay. I'm going to ask you some questions. Give me answer. Yes, I'm going to unmute you. Don't go to the mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, wait a second. How
Teacher.
many have doubt? Clear me. Okay. Now
Yes, teacher.
visible
Yes,
properly.
teacher.
Okay. So these 4 students tell me 3 into 2.
ଏବେ ତ ସବୁ ନୁକସାନ ହେଇ ଅଛି
Yes, Sugyani beta, your
9.
background sound is there. Yes, tell me answer 3
Six.
into 2.
6.
Very good. So can I write 6 downside or top side? Tell me.
Downside.
Okay. Next, what to do? 6 into 2, right?
Yes, teacher.
So tell me 6 into 2.
18.
6 into 2, 18.
12.
Huh?
12.
12. Okay. So which number I'm going to write downside?
1. 2.
1 or 2?
2.
Yes. 1 we want to give carry here, my dear. On the top of 5. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me what to do. 6 into 2 over. Now what to do next step? 5 into 2.
Yes.
Tell me 5 into 2.
10.
10 plus this one you want to add.
11.
Okay, so your correct answer is what? 1126. Correct?
Yes.
1126. These students, 4 students, clear now?
Yes.
Samiksha, Sanika and Sugyani.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now we will go to our next concept. Okay, till here everyone clear the multiplication sums. So now today we are going to start our one new chapter, that is fraction. The fraction also already over, but today we are going to take out the revision. Okay, clear student? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am going to share you one PPT. Be ready everyone, okay? Everyone be ready. Don't shout and don't on your microphone. Just a second. I'm going to show you one PPT. Okay. To everyone. Anyone unmute, otherwise give me answer in chat box. My screen is visible properly.
Yes.
Okay. Now students, look at here fractions. What is the spelling of fraction? F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N-S. We learned already. Fraction means what? Is a number that describe a relationship between a part and a whole number. Correct? I already explaining you before Diwali vacation, but today again I am going to start it because in this how many days gap is there. So no, some students are not remember what is the fraction. So that's why I'm going to show you again. The fraction means what? A fraction is number. Just a second. Yes, be ready now. I'm going to highlight this box. A fraction is a number that describe a relationship between a part. Part means what? Represented by these two numbers. Okay. Fraction means what? One number, after that line, after that second number. Two numbers are there. That two number also has the separate name, that is numerator and denominator. First one, top side number is what? We call that numerator. And downside number, we call that denominator, right?
नवीन में माइक्रोफोन ऑन अच्छी माइक्रोफोन ऑन
बंद कर लो नाज़िन धड़ करने का माइक्रोफोन ऑन अच्छी अभी नहीं धड़ करना
Teacher, your voice is not coming. Teacher, your voice is not coming. Teacher, your voice is not coming.
Okay, just a second, beta. Network issue is there. Just a second. Yes. Now my screen is visible. Everyone tell me.
Yes.
Visible it is? Okay. So students, how many rectangles are there? Small rectangles are there? 5. Correct?
Yes.
So 5 is our denominator. I'm going to highlight the color. Just a second. 5 is our denominator. Right? This is our denominator. Denominator means what? Total parts in a whole. That means, for example, one, I'm going to show you here. One circle I'm going to draw here. Okay. This is the middle point. And I'm going to make it the some equal parts. Okay. My drawing is not proper, but it is the example. Now, in the circle, how many parts are there? Sub parts are there. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
8 part are there, students. Correct. So 8 is denominator. 8 is what?
Denominator.
Denominator. Everyone clear what is the denominator? Whole part. Whole number. Whole number means what? In the one diagram, how many equal parts are there? In the one circle, how many equal parts are there? In the one rectangle, how many equal parts are there? If suppose you are going to take out the triangle, no problem. You want to check how many equal parts are there? Yes. In the circle now, how many equal parts are there?
8.
Equal parts are there?
8.
8. Okay, my diagram is not proper. This is not the equal part. But now you want to assume that is the equal part. Okay, this is the denominator. Now I'm going to show you the numerator. Okay, you want to identify which number will there. Now students, just a second. I'm going to show you the numerator here. In blue color. Okay, just a second. This is the color part. This is one color part.
Yeah.
This is the second one color part. Third one color part. Okay. So now students, tell me what here numerator number. Which number will come here? Tell me. I want answer in chat box. Everyone, I'm waiting for the answer. Okay. I given you denominator already. Okay, the whole parts, whole equal parts. That means it is a denominator. Now I am going to ask you what is the numerator will come. I want answer. If suppose anyone want to talk with me, then on your microphone, beta, and talk with me. How many numerator will come? Which number will come in the place of numerator? Tell me. Yes, not understood. Another student. Those are color part. Those are color part. You want to count it from the circle. Those are color part. You want to count it from the circle. And tell me which is the denominator. Color part, count it.
Three.
Okay. Wait a second. Three is your color part. This is the 3, right?
Yes.
Now how we will read 3 upon 8? 3 upon
8.
8. 3 upon 8. Understood? Just a second. I'm going to check it in chat box. Wait a second. How many students are given the proper answer? Very nice. Good, good. All of you understood the concept means. Okay. So now, wait a second, student. This is the circle part. Okay. Now the top side, I'm going to erase this. I'm going to clear now. Just a second. This is the clear. Okay. Now, here how many equal parts given to you? Tell me. Yes, I want answer in chat box. Total, how many small boxes given to you? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this 5, how many are colored? 3 are colored. So 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator. 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Go to the next slide. Yes, tell me which fruit you're able properly, which fruit is there on your screen? Tell me. Yes, I want watermelon. Very nice. I'm waiting for the answer, students. Okay. Now tell me, students. First one, go to the first one image. Okay. First one image. Tell me it is first one what? Whole. Whole means what? Full watermelon. It is full watermelon. Yes or no? This is the full watermelon, no?
Yes.
Now go to the second one. Look at here, second one. How many equal parts are there in watermelon? Tell me.
2.
2 equal parts are there, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now go to the third one. Yes, tell me how many equal parts are there?
4.
Very nice. Yes, another students give me answer in chat box, okay? And yes, who's talking with the help of microphone, beta, you are also give the response in chat box, no issue. How many equal parts are there? 4 equal parts are there, correct? Now, students, these 4 equal parts, okay? This is the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Each single part also has the separate name. Each single part. Anyone remember what is the name of that part? It's a 1/4. What? It's a 1/4. Each part is a 1/4. Look at here, one watermelon is divided into 4 equal parts. So each part is 1/4. Each part is 1/4. Understood till here? Yes, I want the answer in chat box. I want the answer in chat box. Very good, very nice. 4 equal parts are the 4 equal parts of a circle, and one part, each part has the separate name, that is quarter. Very nice. Good. Yes, Who is the camera on? Adarsh Ram. Right? Your camera is on. Off your camera, beta. Whose camera is on? Off it fast. Shravani Chauhan. Shlok Dubey. Off it the camera first of all. Off the camera first of all, fast. Okay. Now, till here everyone clear? I want answer in chat box. Clear everyone? Whole part, whole equal, whole watermelon. After that, half watermelon. Clear everyone? Yes, clear everyone? I'm waiting for your answer, student. I want answer in chat box. Yes, network issues. That's why voice is not coming. Don't worry, okay? Now it is. Now am I audible properly? Now am I audible properly? Okay. Yes. Now I'm going